and you're watching Shestaytv. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Shestaytv. Alright, so in today's episode, we are going back to the rescue dog games. Now, if you remember what happened last year, yeah, it was an epic fail. But this year, I feel like it's going to be a lot different for Onyx. So in this episode, I have my sister coming with me with her dogs. Hi, her sister Kiara. So let me go ahead and show you guys how her dog is looking in her costume today. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put Onyx in his costume and I'll show you guys how he's looking too. Aren't they both looking so good? So we're finishing up getting them dressed and everything, putting all their little doggy treats and stuff together, and then we're going to go ahead and head out. So I'll go ahead and update you guys when we get there. Alright guys, we officially made it to the rescue dog games. You can't really see nothing right now, but we're definitely going to go in, see what's around, get Onyx a little bit more comfortable. Now since we're going to put him in the crowd. So let's go. Guys, now since we got our wristbands and we're all nice and checked in, we're just gonna like walk around and see what free goodies that we can get. You ready, Kiara? Alright, let's go.
Come on now.
Alright guys, so far so good, honestly. Onyx is doing really well. Right now we're gonna go down here so we can get some more energy out of Onyx and he can run around in this little thing that they have. So I'm excited to see how he's gonna act. So let's go. Come on, Onyx.
It's another worked up dog over there. Let's see how this goes. Okay. Oh.
Mona, look. He's chasing him. Get him, Mona. Get it, girl. One of them doesn't even know what to do. She's playing with Onyx.
Dude, Mona's like, I'm just gonna run out. He's only running.
I want her to get it. Y'all gotta say it.
Get it, Onyx.
Get it, Mona. You gotta get it.
Yeah, that's my boy. Now y'all saw the way that Onyx was eating. Onyx was not letting up. It was like this little like flag that he was like going after that they had going around the little wire thing. He was not trying to let up on it at all. But the thing about Onyx is he's very competitive. So if he's gonna do it, he gonna do it. And who he get that from? His mama. But yeah, he definitely won that.
Hi. No.
Yeah, you like that? Does he know how to sit?
Yes.
Okay. So right here on the second row of cones, you're going to ask him to sit, and I'm going to toss him a treat and see if he can catch it.
Come here, Onyx.
If he catches it, he'll go to the next row. Onyx.
Good boy. Good job.
Onyx.
Pay attention.
Oh, we'll try that again. Yeah.
There you go. Good boy.
Once he catches it, we'll try it. Once he gets it, we'll try that again.
Sit, Onyx. Sit. Thank you.
Onyx.
Pay attention.
Oh, that one was my fault.
he's like, I know it's coming.
I was trying not to hit him in the face again. So
He's like, I know it's coming somewhere. Onyx, sit.
get it. You almost got it. Come on, one more time.
One more time, Onyx. Look, pay attention. Look, Onyx.
Get it. Very nice. Now you can move him to that next row.
This one?
No, the up. Too big of a jump. There you go. Onyx. Ready?
Go,
Nice job. So we won't ask him to stay. It's better that way.
Okay.
To the last cone.
Come on, Onyx. Wait, last one. Turn around.
Onyx.
Turn around. Good boy. Wait, look, pay attention.
I guess there's right here. Ready?
He didn't even try.
You want to try that one more time?
Come on, let's try one more time. Look, that way.
Onyx.
Turn around. There you go. Onyx, pay attention.
Good boy.
Onyx, pay attention. Look. Onyx.
Hey, buddy. Right here.
Oh.
That's okay, buddy. You got to 10 feet. That was really good.
Good job.
Very good.
Thanks.
We're facing the wrong direction. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Oh, Lord. Hey, Mona. Hey.
Mona knows how to do it, though.
That's a good girl. Thank you very much. You're such a good girl.
I'm going to try to put me and Onyx in one of these. I don't think he's going to stay in it. It's doing good. Most of the other dogs, they put their heads like that. Wait, can't put his head right. Did you get it? Yeah. Do it one more time, I had to hold him. I got behind him and put his head in it. I think she's struggling.
Behind the scenes. This is what's happening behind the scenes.
Look, obviously Mona doesn't want to be in a picture.
You don't want to take the picture? No?
Said no. Okay, thank you. I don't think Onyx likes the pig ear, because other than that he would have ate it. He's pretty picky. Let me try again. Onyx. Look, you want it? Onyx. I don't think he likes it. Either that or he's over it. Yeah, I don't think he's going for it, guys. Oatmeal! Hi, Oatmeal! He met his match.
He met his match. He definitely met his match. He don't want no smoke. Onyx don't want the smoke. This needs to be his play partner.
No, for real though. Sit. Give me some. Yeah, other paw. Come on. Give me some.
He's tired.
He's tired. He's definitely. That is all I have for today's episode. So if you like what you saw, I would really appreciate if you like, comment, share, subscribe, and let me know how you think Onyx did during their rescue dog games, and Mona too, and how you feel about their costumes. Make sure you guys tune in to the next episode. I'll see you then. Onyx, move. Mona, sit. Sit, Mona. Onyx in a hot dog? That dog's in a hot dog. Who wore it better? I think Onyx did. Onyx? Yeah. If you like what you saw, I would really appreciate if you like.
Oh no, my TikTok's messed up.
I almost got my arm taken.
He is an athletic dog. He's strong.
Sit, Onyx, sit. Yeah. Okay.